My name is Dr. Heather Pickett. I've been working in the low-carb space for about 2.5 years. I'm a family medicine physician and do a lot of integrative medicine. I've done that for about 25 years. But really looking into this lifestyle medicine more intensively, especially in the last 1.5 years. Since I've been kind of solo doing it, I've been just using my own resources and referring my patients to that and trying to work with them within my clinic. So I was just kind of doing it myself and sending them to different areas. So what this has done is it has totally expanded what I can do and what we can talk about in my visit with them, because I know then when they go home, what they could be experiencing on the app is reinforcement and also a lot of things that I was using my time to do and I don't need to do now. And the other thing I love is the accountability part, because I may not see them for 2 to 4 weeks initially as they're starting on a new lifestyle program. But now I know that, hey, I know they have a health coach there. They can access, dietary issues. They can access articles, all of those kinds of things that I was kind of doing on my own and teaching some of my other providers in my practice to do. So this has really been phenomenal for me. And I've also liked it doing it as a patient to kind of see how it would work, and it was helpful for me too. And I just love the whole person perspective, right? We're addressing sleep, we're addressing mindfulness, we're addressing mental health, we're addressing our relationship with food, we're addressing exercise and education. I think the way that you guys have already combined it all has been phenomenal. I loved the health coach part, knowing that there was another human being who was involved and who was kind of pinging me and checking in and seeing how I was doing, and it was there to answer questions and ask questions herself. That was really phenomenal. I love the live person part of it rather than just this inanimate app. You guys have it all on there. It's so great.